Well, this is my new car, if you could call it a new car. Bought it day before yesterday. Never thought I'd picture myself driving something like this. The other one is there. It's broke down on the roundabout. X-type Jag, obviously. Put a lot of work into correcting the paintwork, but it's obviously a mess again now. 109,000 miles, 2 litre diesel turbo. Suspected the fuel pump has gone, or the injectors have gone. It's these Delphi injection systems. They're just, I think it's supermarket diesel that kills them, from what I've read. But that's for another video altogether. I do make videos on these. This was 550 quid. 180,000 miles. 2 litre non-turbo diesel. 180 and 725. There we go. Right now I'm just going to change the oil because it was on the minimum. I think it was due for change in the last service. It was done in 2014. So I'm giving it an oil and filter change. I think these engines are bulletproof once you look after them properly. And I'm not going to replace the engine cover because I don't like them. I prefer to see all the mechanical aspects of the engine, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I suppose that's it for now. Oh no, I suppose that's not it, because let's go around what doesn't work. The radio doesn't work. Radio doesn't work, which, oh, it's a killer. It's awful. I put a CD in to see if the CD player works, but it won't even play that. Well, it comes up on the screen that it's playing. But obviously no sound. I've played around with the buttons and there's just nothing. Randomly, one speaker will come on when when the radio, when it tunes into the radio, bizarrely. The 12 volt system doesn't work, so that could be fuse, anything. I'll have to lift that out and look at it. But everything else works. I love the panoramic sunroof. I could quite easily turn this into a mini camper. So it's a function over farm thing. I suppose I'll leave it for now.